Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use your Argus card when shopping at Sainsbury's. So let's get started. First, make sure you're shopping at a Sainsbury's store that accepts Argus card payments. Most large Sainsbury's stores, especially those with Argus collection points, allow it, but it's best to check with staff or online before shopping. Shop as usual and head to the checkout when you're ready to pay. At the payment terminal, present your Argus card and use it just like a regular credit card for eligible purchases. Keep in mind that interest-free credit plans available at Argus may not apply to purchases made in Sainsbury's. And that's it. That's how you use your Argus card in Sainsbury's. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.